Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send an image to back in Canva. If you're designing in Canva and want to move an image behind another element, it's actually very simple once you know where to look. Let me walk you through how I usually do it. Imagine I have three photos on my canvas and I want one specific image to sit behind another. First, let me click on a photo I want to move so it's selected. Then let's head over to the top toolbar and click Position. After that, let's switch to the Layers view. This shows all the elements on my design in the exact order they appear on the screen. The item at the top of the list is in front, and the ones below it are layered behind. Since I already selected my image, I will simply click and drag it downward in the Layers panel, placing it underneath the photo I want in front. Once I release it, the image instantly moves to the back on the canvas. You can keep arranging or rearranging layers this way until everything sits exactly where you want it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.